Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. So gold has exceeded our expectation and has run for additional $25-30 per contract to the upside, is exceeding the 18 even previous consolidation on the long-term chart. So take a look at the weekly chart. You could see here we have this top, since previously was also the target area for us. And currently we have to take a look at the weekly chart, because on the daily we do not see important moment that could make impact on performance on this week. So take a look that on the weekly chart, market has hit the weekly overbought area. It stands approximately 1870. Top for this week was 1865. So mostly we see that market reached the overbought. That's why this week, I'd suggest that hardly we will get the new top, and hardly market will climb higher than it stands right now. Yes, of course, sometimes, and you can see the market could exceed the overbought levels here, but this usually happens on the background of very strong driving factors, and market doesn't stand too long in exceeding of the overbought level. Currently, as you can see, the market has hit it, and it means that currently it's not good point for taking any new longs position. Speaking about the short, it's also under the question, because we do not see yet clear signs for taking the short position. But for taking the new longs on the daily chart, it's definitely not the good moment, because on the daily chart, if you remember, our butterfly market has exceeded it. It's 1618 extension of the butterfly has been passed as it now exists, and in fact butterfly has failed, and usually when the butterfly fails, it fails miserably. And it means that currently the idea of the head and shoulder is also broken, because market wasn't able to hold the 1618 ratio. That's typical for the head and shoulders. It means that something else should be formed, or as we talked about it, market really could continue upside action, because currently it stands a bit tricky moment about the situation of the net long position, whether it should be 206,000 contracts or it should be 350,000. Because on the pandemic drop, the net long position has jumped and created a new high level, ultimate level that for 100,000 contracts more. And currently we still do not know yet whether the market will return back to the previous levels, or we should treat the new top as the new beacon for saturation of the net long position. That's the questions that we have, and probably they should be clarified within the few weeks. We will see what will happen. But anyway, currently we do not see a good background for taking the short position yet, and we definitely need to see some reaction, what will happen in the market on the weekly overbought. It means that currently, guys, we have only short-term scalp set up on the intraday charts. Take a look what we have. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we could consider the small stress and upward action. That's good thrust with acceleration. That's suitable for the short Napoli patterns. And this could be, for example, the bread butter buy. So if market will reach 1838, 1840 area, in this case we could try and take the long position with at least with the minor continuation up somewhere to the 1855 from 618 resistance of the whole downward action. On the hourly chart, that could become a kind of the double repo sell maybe. If market will start to form the reversal, it could take the shape of the double repo sell. So just take a look for these patterns, these moments, because here right at the top we have the weekly overbought area, and it means that hardly we will get direct upward continuation this week. Probably market will start coiling somewhere around, forming some intraday patterns, but significant upward continuation hardly will happen. So that's actually all that we have currently on the gold. Let's see how situation will turn on the intraday charts.